There's some bad news for all Snapchat users right now. If you're trying to open Snapchat, you might be getting a network error, or it may say server down. Basically, Snapchat isn't working for many people at the moment. And because of this, a lot of users are getting confused, wondering if Snapchat has been banned, just like what happened with TikTok. But no, that's not the case at all. Snapchat is not banned. It's just facing a temporary server outage right now. If you want to check this yourself, go to the Down Detector website. I've added the link to that website in the description of this video. You can also visit it through my official website. When you open Down Detector, you'll see a live graph showing Snapchat's current status. Where you see the red spike, that means the app isn't working in those areas right now. If you try to open Snapchat, it might not load properly or fail to connect. But if it's working fine for you, that's great. And if it's not, just wait a little while. You can check again later on Down Detector to see if the graph has dropped. When it goes back down, that means Snapchat is back online. If Snapchat still doesn't work even after some time, you can try a few quick steps. Close the app completely, clear its cache and data, and then reopen it. Sometimes these simple fixes can help it reconnect faster. Many people got confused because everything suddenly went down. Stories stopped loading, messages weren't sending, and everyone thought something serious had happened. But it's just a temporary server problem. Snapchat's team is already working on it. And as soon as the servers recover, everything will start working again. I'll also make another video soon explaining what exactly caused this sudden outage and what Snapchat officially said about it. So don't worry, Snapchat will be back to normal very soon.